Last time on Derrick and Friends, I was driving down the interstate. Then Aiden was telling me a story of GROCK's past, which was a disastrous story. Then after he told me the story, me and my friends arrived at the airport in Indianapolis. Now it's time for episode 10. Alrighty guys, let's get out the van.
Yo, I'm Chase.
Alrighty, does any of us have the items we need?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Chase is on the case.
Alright, let's get inside. Let's get inside.
Oh, hello guys. Welcome to the Indianapolis International Airport. How can I help you?
We would like tickets to Orlando if you please.
Who are you going with?
Phillip, Aiden, Chase, Heather, and Heather, that's... Hey! Chase! You need to calm down, and you need to come to me right away. You need to behave, Chase, or you're not going to fight GROCK with me. You understand?
Yes, Derrick.
Now let's get back to the clerk.
Okay.
Sorry about that, clerk. I got some of my friends behaving badly, and, do I need to get tickets to Orlando?
Sure, but you have to go through airport security first in order to get on the flight, okay? Okay, here you go.
All right, let's go. Really? We have to go through airport security? That's absurd!
Yeah, dude, airport security is just
Rock, Block, and Truck, are you guarding the castle for me?
Yes!
I am!
Alright guys, please make sure that Derrick and his friends don't arrive at our castle, because they might fight me, okay?
Yes, I will!
They better not fight me. Welcome to the security gate. Please place your bags on the conveyor belt right here, please.
I'm sorry!
No, get back here!
It appears there's a problem with this young man's bag.
What?
I'm sorry!
No, you're not sorry. No, there's something bad in this bag.
There's definitely something bad, yeah, very bad.
Yeah.
Tragic, terrible.
Can I start checking it?
Yeah, do that for me, I don't want to do my job.
Okay. What have you got in there? Oh my goodness! Why have you packed all this? You have a phone, you have keys, and you got a wallet. No! This is all wrong! You can't do that!
Why?
It's illegal!
Are you gonna use that sword for combat?
Yes, we will, because we need it for survival.
As long as it's not recreational purposes. The wallet, keys, and phone gotta go though.
Okay. Hey, other officer, can you confiscate these from me? Sure. Oh, thank you. All right, Phillip, let's do take 2. Go through the gate. Oh, wait, we're safe? Yay, we're safe! Whoa, it's much better! Come on, let's go! Oh no! The gate to Orlando closes in 2 minutes! We gotta run, guys! I'll give you my ticket to the flight. We're probably the last passengers. All right.
Oh, thanks. You guys are actually the last people to the flight to Orlando. You can go.
All right, let's go!